Welcome back to my channel. It's DesmaBloom here, and today we are finishing the drape, the beaded necklace that we did before. I guess you've seen the part 1. This is now part 2. We are creating this, the other base, that is choker. We have two choker like beadwork for this necklace, so we are creating the second one, and also I'll show you how to finish up with it and also how to style it. Grab your beads, take your time, and let's get creative together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beautiful beaded tutorials, and let's get started. To start our second base, that is the second choker, we're going to start by counting beads. We are going to have 4 turquoise times 2, 3 turquoise and 1 purple, 4 purple, 4 purple again, 3 purple and 1 turquoise, 4 purple, 4 turquoise, sorry, 4 turquoise and 4 turquoise. The total beads that you should have should be 4 times 9, so you can So on the next line, you're going to count 4 turquoise beads, as like we've been doing on the other one. Every time you're starting on a new line, you start with 4, only the color is different. So after 4 turquoise, you're going to pick 3 turquoise. Then we count 1, 2, 3. We pass the needle on the 4th bead, like I'm showing now. Again, we are going to pick 3 turquoise beads, then you count the last one, the second last turquoise. You're going to pass your needle through it. Now you're starting with turquoise, 1 turquoise and 2 purple to make 3 beads. Then you are going to pass the needle through the 3rd purple bead, as showing. Pick again 4 purple beads. This round you're picking 4 purple beads, not mixing with turquoise because it's only plain purple there. And also on this one, you're going to pick 3 purple again. Then you count 1, 2, 3, the 4th bead, you pass the needle. We still have purple, you can see it, 1 purple color remaining, so you're going to count on the next one. You're going to count 1 purple and 2 turquoise, sorry, so to make 3 beads. Then you pass your needle through the 3rd turquoise bead. The next one, you're going to pick 3 turquoise, and also the following one you're going to pick also 3 turquoise beads. Then you pass the needle through the last bead, the last turquoise bead. Done with the first line. Now we are turning the creation and doing the next line. You're going to pick 4 turquoise beads, and you're going to pass the needle through the middle one, the middle beads, the 3 beads that you put when you are coming on the opposite side. Now you're putting them on the center, the middle one. Now you're picking 3 turquoise beads, you pass the needle through the middle one, and again 3 turquoise beads, then you pass the needle through the last turquoise bead. Then we are now approaching purple color. We are going to pick 3 purple beads. Then you pass the needle through the middle bead there. Another 3 purple beads. Then you pass the needle through the middle one. Also 3 purple beads again. Then you pass the needle through the last purple bead you're seeing up there. Then you start on turquoise, full 3 turquoise, no mixture of purple here on this line. I hope you're now getting something, or maybe when you're coming back is when you understand. Here is now turquoise until you reach the last part. Three turquoise beads you're picking with your needle. Then you're going to pass the needle through the middle bead, leaving out only 2 turquoise beads on this line. Now we are turning on to the next line, 4 beads turquoise. Then you pass through the middle. I hope you can see there are 3 beads there, so you pass through the middle one, that one. Make sure you tighten your accretion, very important. So the next picking will be 3 turquoise. You pass the needle through there to the middle bead. Again 3 turquoise. You pass the needle on the second last turquoise bead there. Here now you can see we have a mixture of turquoise and purple. So I'm picking 1 turquoise and 2 purple to make 3 beads in total. Then I'm going through the second purple bead on the line. Now it's 3 purple, again 3 purple. Then you're picking 1 purple and 2 turquoise. Then passing your needle through the second turquoise color. So we are having all left is color turquoise. So the 2 pickings will be all turquoise, 3 turquoise. You pass the needle through the middle bead, then 3 turquoise again, then you finish on the line. You turn your accretion, then you come back. I think on this side of the line is very clear and easy, like there's no mixture of beads like the other line. So you're just counting 4 turquoise beads, you pass the needle, again 3 turquoise, then you pass the needle, and also 3 turquoise to finish on the turquoise color. We're picking 3 purple beads, 3 purple beads again, and 3 purple beads. It's 3 purple beads times 3 on this line. I hope you now understand how the pattern is moving, because we're making a straight line color. Yeah. And it doesn't matter what color you're making, you can choose to make black and yellow or red and green. So the pattern remains the same, the beading remains the same, it's only the bead color that will change. So let's finish on this line, then you will see again how the pattern is repeating itself, and you'll know it's not very difficult. This is the easiest pattern. It's just a little challenging for the beginners, but once you've learned how it's moving, then it's very easy. So we've turned the question, we are going on the opposite direction, the other. Now we are starting with 4 turquoise beads. The next one will be 3 turquoise beads. We pass the needle and again 3 turquoise beads. Here is now when you're not keen, you're not going to get this pattern. You see we're having a turquoise 1 bead remaining out. So we are going to add first 1 turquoise bead and 2 purple beads to make 3 beads. Don't add 4 beads, please. You pass the needle and then you move with the purple. You see now it's all color purple. Yeah, you make 3 purple and again 3 purple. You pass the needle through the second last purple. We are also having 1 purple remaining out, so you're picking 1 purple and 2 turquoise. You pass the needle through it. The remaining are turquoise color, so we're just picking 3 turquoise, and the next one will be 3 turquoise. You finish on the line. I hope now you understand it, and I'm going to leave you here so that this video might be long, very long when I do everything here. So I hope you understand and you're going to make it the way I've done it. So just follow every step and you'll learn. If you make mistake and you remove again, that's how you learn. That's how I learned also. So just do it and let me know in the comment section your favorite color. If you made this, yeah, I hope I helped someone who was looking for such tutorial. Let's finish on this one. I told you we should have 2 like choker to make the necklace that is on the thumbnail. So this is the second one. Finish it and check on my part 1. It's already there. You're going to connect these 2 chokers. Then let me show you, if you have done both chokers, how to do the full necklace. Have your beads on the plate like this. Then you're just going to bead with a needle and you lay the 2 chokers on the opposite directions. You bead your beads with your thread and needle. Then you pass all round and round like that until you reach down. Yeah, this is where you're going to pass your needle. Then after passing, you're going to take again your beads and hang any color that you want. Me, I mixed purple and pink and turquoise. This is the necklace I did for my customer. I did a lot, like not only this one, but she's the one who picked the color. So I hope you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss on my next video. I'll show you the creations that I made for her. So let's keep it here, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.